Welcome to the Mill Brook Railroad. We have some trouble issues on the line right now, and I have to go address those, or at least inspect them anyway. I don't think I can fix them today. Hey, by the way, if you've been watching a number of our videos, and I have to encourage that, of course, check us out on Patreon, patreon.com/millbrookrailroad, or become a channel member. Level 2 channel members and Level 2 Patreon supporters get access to our Discord server, where some interesting things tend to happen. So check that out. Now, onto the track inspection. A lot out of gauge. Okay. This problem here is different from what I'm having further down the track. This problem is I need to replace this rail. Three sticks of rail. Alright, so in this section I need to replace 3 sticks of rail on the outside. And I need to super elevate. So I can't do that right now. This is just going to have to be a slow order until it thaws out a little bit more than it has. Next thaw we get, I'll be able to replace these 3 sticks of rail. On the way to the next spot here. I have a problem with the plow coming off the track down here on this end of the horseshoe curve. So I'm going to check the gauge there. I suspect it's gone wide. Right here is one of the spots. Alright, so it's gone a little wide through here too. Doesn't look like rail wear. That looks like tie failure. Nice thing about this time of year is I can tell where I've come off the rails because there are footprints in the snow. So I'll grab the gauge here. They're a little bit wide there too. So looking at the rail here, doesn't look like we've got much wear here. This is just the rail moving around. So hopefully the addition of tie plates in some strategic areas through here will help out a lot. Now right up here is another section that I tend to come off quite a bit, so it's usually coming back from the engine house, so I suspect we're dealing with gauge up here. Yeah, it's a bit too wide there. Comes back in here, but that's just a little too much. And if I look up here, the rail is not held in at all in a few of these places. I think we'll find that is indeed the widest spot right there. So that's a problem. think I like this angle better. So you look up through here, you can see a bunch of screws that are not contacting the rail anymore. Now back in the fall, I went through this area and fixed all that. And because we have to absolutely send it with the snow plow, tends to undo all that. So we are quite a bit out of gauge right here, and that's going to be a problem. So I'm going to have to address this. I'm going to have to address it next time it thaws out, because it's a little too cold right now to do track work. Mainly because there's too much ice around the track. I could grab the switch broom and sweep off a lot of this stuff, and that'll help me for when it thaws. But I don't need to run a train right now, so we'll just call the track out of service, and we'll do some more work on it later. Well, that's track inspection for today, at least in this lower section. Just taking a look at some of the areas we're having problems with. Just a few areas, and it's all the same problem. Track is spread out of gauge. So we'll have to deal with that once it warms up a little bit. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.